Are you an indie game developer using Unity? Then you should know your main enemy, time. In practice, many indie developers either never finish their game or take too many years to do so. In this video, I will show how to reduce development time without sacrificing absolutely anything. Hi everyone, this is Lapsodev, and let's get started. The first thing you should absolutely do to switch your IDE from Visual Studio to JetBrains Rider, if you haven't already. I don't want to say something bad about Visual Studio, but Rider is much more powerful tool. And first thing, it gives you suggestions. Suggestions for writing clean C# code, using variables properly, refactoring, and highlighting potential issues such as expensive function calls. Second, you will write code faster with smart built-in auto-completion, like this one, or this one, or this one. Third, it teaches you how to write link expressions, which greatly improve code readability. And finally, you don't need to relearn hotkeys. Just choose the key map you're already used to. For example, from IntelliJ IDEA or even Visual Studio. Unity officially supports Rider at the same level as Visual Studio, so installation is not an issue. And that's not all the advantages of the JetBrains Rider, but it has one drawback. For commercial use, it requires a paid subscription. The next point is using hotkeys. If you know hotkeys in Blender, you can create models in a minute. With the hotkeys, GIMP stops being confusing with a weird interface. Unity becomes just as responsive as a Blender, while Rider lets you write code, refactor, and navigate at the speed of thought. You literally save time with every click. Next point, leave comments. Leave comments in your code whatever something looks unusual, even if you are a solo developer. Writing the comments takes a few seconds, but coming back later and trying to understand why something is written that way can take hours or even days. And finally, install a free plugin from the Unity Asset Store, which allows you to assign colors to folders in the Unity project window. This small thing saves you just a few seconds each time you navigate your project, but it does it thousands of times. You can roughly estimate how much time this saves, for example, over 1 year. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get more tips and tricks for Unity. Bye!